Hi everybody, I received my very first Fat Quarter Shop, so sampler box. Looking forward to this one. I have already peeked and seen what other people have opened up their boxes because it took a little while to get to Australia, but I am loving this box. All the cute print work on it, and this month is called Think Pink. Maybe for September. I was going to say maybe it's for breast cancer awareness, but that's October. So they have some cool discount codes on the back of here, and I might need to check that out because I'm really looking forward to the book Quilt by Colour, and I've been looking to find where to get it. So Think Pink. They have cute little tag in here of all the things that are included. I can't wait to show you the fabric. The fabric looks gorgeous. These beautiful pinks. I think there's 10 in there. Motor colour cuts, so beautiful, different colours. It's a bit hard to see perhaps the fabrics, but oh, what the heck. Let's take those off. I can show you these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colours. So these are 5" by width of fabric. Often called a dessert roll, so this is perhaps a mini dessert roll, but look at all these beautiful pink fabrics. This one's got yellows, it's got a bit of trees, a bit of darker pops, there's some beautiful floral. Oh, that one's beautiful too. I wonder if they tell us exactly which fabric lines they're from, because it'd be lovely to be able to get some more, especially if that one's stunning. So that's our 5" by width of fabric pinks, and it goes with this pattern by Susan H, who writes that book, Quilt by Colour, and that is such a pretty, pretty little pattern. Very tempted to stop, drop and quilt that one, and just bobbing along. Store your bobbins. I always struggle with where my bobbins go because I like to have one full for most of the colours that I use, so that will come in very handy. And this little cutie, it's actually a little thread cutter right here at the top, but it's got cute little magnets at the end and just enough, big enough to hold some pins or maybe some wonder clips, so you could have that sitting by your sewing machine. Would be very handy. And they, Sew Sampler Fat Quarter Shop also has a monthly block that goes together to make a sampler quilt at the end of the year, and this one's from being designed by Corey Yoda, and this one's called Bloom in Season. So that one looks pretty. It's, you know, it's a decent quilt recipe card, for want of a better word. So that's the Sew Sampler box. I'm loving this fabric, and yeah, I think looking good. Talk to you soon.